Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to change text to speech on TikTok. So if that is something you're interested in, stick around for the rest of the video. So first things first, you're going to need to launch TikTok. And once that is done, you'd simply need to click on your upload icon. And you'd simply need to record whatever it is that you want to record. I'll be recording this pen as an example, and I'm simply going to record it for like 2 seconds. Now once that is completed, I'd simply need to tap on the text icon that is in the top right hand corner of the screen and simply write whatever it is that you want to write. So for example, I'm simply going to write, "Hi, I am Daily Tech." And once that is completed, you'd simply need to tap on the text and simply tap on text to speech, and this will convert your text to speech. So that's pretty much the end of the tutorial. If you guys found this video useful or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.